What causes rough idle in a car? How to fix. Have you ever experienced that unsettling moment when you start your car, and it shudders and rumbles at idle? It's a common issue known as rough idle. Today, we're delving into the most common culprits behind rough idling and how to fix them. Let's get started. 1. Vacuum leak. One of the frequent causes of rough idle is a leaking vacuum. Your engine relies on vacuum hoses to maintain the right air-fuel mixture. When these hoses become damaged or frayed, excess air can sneak into the combustion chamber, leading to misfires, sluggish acceleration, and rough idling. To identify a vacuum leak, listen for a hissing sound while the engine is running. Once found, replacing the damaged vacuum hose is a straightforward fix. 2. Defective spark plug. A poorly running engine often points to misfires, often caused by dirty or faulty spark plugs. Spark plugs play a vital role in igniting the fuel mixture. If damaged, they can throw off the ignition timing, resulting in uneven combustion, leading to rough idling and engine stuttering. To address this, consult a reliable mechanic to inspect and replace any damaged spark plugs, ignition coils, or distributor caps. 3. Clogged air filter. An often overlooked culprit of rough idle is a clogged air filter. Air filters keep dust and impurities out of your engine. When they get clogged, airflow diminishes, leading to not only rough idling but also difficult starts and misfires. Prevent rough idling by regularly changing your air filter as part of routine maintenance. 4. Dirty mass airflow sensor. The mass airflow sensor calculates air intake, but if it's dirty, it can cause rough idling. A dirty sensor provides inaccurate readings to the ECU, leading to engine mismanagement. Clean a dirty mass airflow sensor with an appropriate solvent to restore smooth idling. If you're finding this video helpful, do us a favor and hit that subscribe button. It's the best way to stay updated on our latest videos. Once you're subscribed, let's continue. 5. Faulty PCV valve. The positive crankcase ventilation, PCV, valve recirculates gases but can become stuck open. A malfunctioning PCV valve can disrupt the air-fuel mixture, causing rough idling due to a lean mixture. Resolve rough idling by cleaning or replacing the clogged PCV valve. 6. Soiled idle air control valve, IAC. The idle air control, IAC, valve regulates engine idle speed but can accumulate carbon deposits. These deposits obstruct airflow, leading to stalling or poor idling. Use a carburetor or throttle body cleaner to restore proper IAC valve function and smooth idling. 7. Faulty fuel pump. A clogged fuel pump can starve your engine, causing rough idle, stalling, and power loss. Fuel pumps control the injector's fuel supply, so a malfunction here can disrupt combustion. Apply a fuel system cleaner to clear any buildup or clogs in the fuel pump. 8. Damaged oxygen sensor, O2 sensor. Oxygen sensors help maintain ideal air-fuel ratios, but a damaged one can affect engine speed. A faulty oxygen sensor can lead to rough idling and trigger a check engine light. Consult a mechanic to diagnose the issue and replace the damaged oxygen sensor. 9. Stuck open EGR valve. An exhaust gas recirculation, EGR, valve, stuck open, can disrupt engine idle. Normally closed at idle, a stuck EGR valve can lead to poor idling or stalling. Seek professional assistance for EGR valve repairs due to their complexity. 10. Throttle position sensor, TPS, fault. The throttle position sensor, TPS, monitors throttle movement, influencing ignition timing and air-fuel mixture. A faulty TPS can cause rough idling and other drivability issues. Identifying and replacing a defective TPS is best left to a qualified mechanic. 11. Unclean fuel injectors. Dirty fuel injectors can disrupt fuel delivery and cause rough idling. Clogged injectors alter the fuel mixture, leading to rough idling or sluggish acceleration. Clean or replace the fuel filter and consider a fuel tank treatment for stubborn rough idling. There you have it, the most common causes and solutions for rough idling in your car. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others. Thanks for watching.